Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UNFI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's monster movement, both these levels, I mean, sure, they still do pertain to the chart, but they're just completely irrelevant, which is crazy because yesterday they were very relevant, but that just goes to show how big today's price movement was. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete these lines out. Again, yeah, they pertain. They're just not relevant. And from the presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, when I say, Clay, one, make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward, and that would be if the price could stay up above 1950. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 1950, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1950 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level to watch going forward, just right up here where the momentum and party stopped a couple different times today, and that sits right up here around $23, and we'll call it 15 cents, give or take a little bit. And this is the level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, and I bring that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements, and that 23.15 mark is what is being represented there. But all in all, any way you look at it, monster volume, monster price movement. So let's just see if the price can continue to build upon this trend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.